Hey guys, good evening. Welcome to this demo session of Full Stack UA training program. So I welcome everyone to this session where I would like to take you through the contents, topics, what I'm going to cover as part of this Full Stack UA training program and the specialties of this training program. Everything I'm going to, cover here. So let's begin. So I'm going to use this mind map to make the things go smooth during the program or during this demo session. Fine. What is the training plan here? So first thing is, as part of this training program, I'm going to cover all the software testing and tools, concepts and tools which are required for you to become a full stack UA tester. And also, our training programs are lifetime training access. No matter in which batch you have joined, you are eligible for lifetime training access from us. You can attend the training programs multiple times. Only one time you need to subscribe and lifetime you can attend our training programs. You don't have to pay anymore. Only one time you need to subscribe and pay to subscribe. And after that, all our training programs are completely free for you. Only one time you need to pay. Okay. That's nothing but lifetime training access. And so what I'm going to announce here, I'll be taking a lot of batches here parallelly. And here, what is the start date? Start date is, there are multiple start dates here. Just focus on this. So for now, the start date is tomorrow at 8 p.m. IST. What I'm going to start? I'm going to start Selenium automation directly. Okay, I'm going to start Selenium automation directly, starting with the Selenium commands. But here, to attend this from tomorrow, okay? So tomorrow at 8 p.m. IST, we are starting a weekday batch. We are starting a weekday batch where we are going to start explaining about Selenium automation, that is Selenium WebDriver commands and all the frameworks and all we'll cover there, okay? So who need to join this program? Which is starting tomorrow, which is a weekday batch, every day at 8 p.m. IST. Every day, every day at 8 p.m. IST, we are going to have this, okay? Every day at 8 p.m. IST for a duration of 1 hour, okay? We are going to have this mostly from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. or 8:15 to 9:15 max, okay? So we are going to have this program. And as part of the Selenium automation, you are expected to already have the knowledge of Java. Okay, core Java knowledge you should already have, guys. Okay, without this, don't join this. Okay, so why? Because whatever that is starting from tomorrow, for that Java is compulsory, guys. If you don't have the knowledge of Java, then don't join this one. The other thing is we are going to start on weekend batch. Okay, we are going to start a weekend batch. This weekend we are going to start Sunday at Okay, we're going to start this at Sunday at 6 p.m. IST. Sunday at 6 p.m. IST. It will be off, every weekend. This here there are two things. First thing is every weekend, that is Saturday and Sunday. At what time? At 6 p.m. IST. We are going to have this at 6 p.m. IST, and the duration will be, you know, the duration will be here 3 hours. 3 hours on Saturday and 3 hours on Sunday. 3 hours on Sunday. For this, do you need any prerequisite like core Java or something? No, from scratch we'll start. Okay, this is a brand new batch. You can say this is a brand new batch we are going to start. So here you can also attend this parallelly also. If you are one who want to attend both of them, that is on weekday you want to go with Selenium automation and parallelly attend this brand new batch, that's also fine. Up to you guys. Okay. So everyone clear with this? Just type C in the chat box if you are clear with when the training programs are going to start. Okay. One training program is going to start tomorrow at 8 p.m. IST. That is weekday batch where we are going to start with Selenium automation. Only Selenium automation. Core Java will not be covered as part of this. Directly Selenium automation followed by the frameworks, and we'll finish up the Selenium automation and we'll go with the next topic. Okay. That's what is tomorrow. Whatever. For that, you should have the core Java knowledge should be there. Okay. For this core Java knowledge need to be there. If you are kind of person who want to directly jump onto Selenium automation, then this particular thing is for you. Okay. Core Java knowledge needed here. Here, brand new batch from scratch will start. You don't need to have any knowledge. Everything will cover. Okay. And parallelly, at a time, you can attend both the things also. Okay. On weekends, you can start with the brand new batch where all the presets that are required for Selenium automation will be covered. And meanwhile, on the weekday batch, I'll be covering the Selenium automation for you. Okay. That is also possible. That flexibility is also there. Along with that, I'm also going to start another weekend batch, that is on Sunday. It's going to start at Sunday at 11 AM IST. And this is not a training batch. This is live automation batch. Live automation batch. Where I'm going to automate Selenium. I'm going to automate an e-commerce application having 500 plus test cases here. For this, Selenium plus Java knowledge is required. Okay. This for getting live knowledge. Okay. Real-time knowledge of automation. Okay. This is going to start Sunday at 11 AM IST, and this is going to be on every weekend. It's going to be on every weekend. Saturday, it will be like, uh, 2 to 3 or 4 hours. Okay. Max 2 to 4 hours with considerable breaks we'll have. It depends how much duration it have depends. For this, but Selenium plus Java knowledge is required. I'm not going to give any training here. Okay. I'm not going to train you here. Here only you're going to see how the things are happening live. Okay, this is going to be your first automation project, live automation project. Even though you don't have an experience working in a company on automation, here it will be done. Yes, you can also join. We'll be announcing the weekend live automation batch multiple times. Okay, so for every functionality, we'll restart the live automation batch going ahead. So you can join at any point of time, or you can also join parallelly also. Okay. So there are two things. One is training batches. Training batches are starting here. These two are training batches. These two items are training batches. And here, this is live automation batch. This is not training batch. This is live automation batch, which is going to start here. Okay. So according to your zone, guys, if you are completely new, start with the weekend batch. That is Sunday at 6 p.m. IST. It's going to start. Okay. On weekends, it will be there 3 hours, 3 hours. And if you're already aware of Java and other prerequisites which are required for Selenium automation, then you can directly join from tomorrow. And if you're already good with core Java, Selenium automation and all, then live automation batch is for you. That's the plan. Okay. So here, this is separate and this is separate, guys. Okay. As part of subscription, you need to subscribe these two items separately. They are not together. Okay. If you pay here, you don't have to pay here. But here, you need to pay separately. This is another thing, another initiative. Okay. This is not part of our regular trainings. This is not training. This is live automation, which is separate. Clear? Clear, Rob? If you pay for this, any of this live training, full stack live trainings, you don't have to pay anymore. Okay. Lifetime training access will be there. But here, live automation, you need to pay separately. Okay. And that is also lifetime live automation will be there separate. Both are different. Both are separate things, separate batches. Okay. You need to subscribe separately. Everyone clear? Any doubts regarding when these training programs are starting? Regarding the full stack QA training programs and live automation batches? Clear, everyone? Just type C in the chat box if you are clear with the details and all. I gave you the times and all. And if you are interested in joining our training batches or live automation batches, if you want to subscribe our training batches or live automation batches, you need to contact our team member, Javed, who is our course coordinator. He will take everything. He will take care of enrollment and enrolling process. And if you have any questions later on regarding the course and all, you can contact him. Okay. So our course coordinator is Javed. I am the trainer. Myself, Arun Moturi. I am the only trainer. No other trainer will be there. I'll be only training you. And coming to Javed, he will be taking care of all the other things like, I want to focus on the training, so I don't want to, spend my time on explaining the people like what is this course and again and again. Only in this demo session, I'll explain what is the course is all about, what is the training program and live automation batch all about. Afterwards, Javed will take care of all the stuff. I'll be taking care of the training. Clear? These are ongoing batches, Ankush. Ankush, these are ongoing batches. Okay, these are ongoing batches. If you ask me about manual testing for Selenium Java, I can give you duration. Okay, I cannot give you the entire duration because this full stack QA plan, which will take a lot of time. Okay, it will take a lot of time. I cannot commit to the time. Okay, because I believe on the quality. So for Selenium and all for for only Selenium, if you say it will be like 1.5 month to 2 months max. Okay. For manual testing, again 1 more month. Okay, 3 weeks otherwise. 3 weeks to 4 weeks for manual testing, 3 to 4 weeks for manual testing. Whereas for Selenium Java automation, 1.5 month to 2 months. That's the duration. So as part of this full stack QA training, you see other things will be covered here and there. As part of this full stack QA training, so here manual testing will be covered to you. Manual testing will be covered to you. So we are starting with manual testing on the, we may be starting here on the weekend batch. Okay. Manual testing will be started in this weekend batch, which is starting from Sunday at 6 p.m. IST. Okay. So if you want to start from complete scratch, you just join here. Okay. Weekend batch. So we'll explain about the web application testing followed by the API testing. Okay. As part of the manual testing, we are going to cover the web application testing followed by the API testing. And after this web application testing, API testing, I'm going to cover Selenium Java automation for you, where core Java also will be covered in a detailed manner. We'll give equal importance for Selenium automation concepts, 50% importance if I give. For core Java also 50% importance we are going to give. Yes. Yes, I'll tell you more about that. Okay. Selenium Java, core Java will also be covered with the same importance here. Okay. The importance we give for Selenium automation, the same importance we give for Java. Unlike other training programs, they will cover Java at a high level, right? We are not like that. We are going to cover Java at a good level, whatever that is required for Selenium automation will cover. Even though you are new to programming, you are afraid of programming, or you are unable to learn Selenium automation just because of the Java programming. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to cover from ABCDs of Java, and I'm going to make this Java as easy as possible so that you don't have to rethink about Java again. Okay, I'll make the concepts as easy as possible. Just imagine that no one can explain that level easy the Java. Okay, so don't be afraid, guys. I can boost your confidence and make sure that you go into Selenium automation because manual testing jobs are not there. Only manual testing jobs are no more in the market. Should learn automation. Automation is now compulsory. Now we are in the AI era. If you still don't learn automation, then you are gone. Okay. So it's compulsory for everyone. Then I'm going to cover mobile testing, the manual part first. Manual mobile testing I'm going to cover next. After this API testing manual and Selenium Java automation, I'm going to cover the manual testing, mobile testing in a manual way, not in automation way. Then API test automation using REST assured framework. Got it? Here I'm going to cover API testing using, yes, okay, API testing using REST assured framework I'm going to cover. So then I'm going to cover security testing for you. As part of full stack QA training program, I'm going to cover security testing because, I have done, I have worked as a security tester also. So I can also take this up. I'll make you guys good at security testing also at the same time. That is web application security to get started with. Okay. This one I'll cover as part of full stack QA. Then mobile test automation. I'm going to cover the APM. How to use APM for automating the mobile applications I'm going to cover. Then other test automation tools like Cypress, Tosca, Microsoft Playwright also I'm going to cover. I'm going to give more importance for the Playwright here, okay? Because it is nowadays, when you talk about automation and jobs about the automation, both Selenium Java and Microsoft Playwright are booming in the market. So after completing Selenium Java, I'll switch to Playwright for you, okay? Then other things. According to the priorities, I'll go, guys, okay? It's not like how they are listed here. I'm going to take the topics according to their priorities and according to the situations during that point of time when I'm taking the trainings. Then other miscellaneous stuff like, migrating from Selenium Java to Selenium Python. Okay, how to migrate from Selenium Java to Selenium Python to Selenium C Sharp also. Selenium C Sharp also. Okay, all these three items I'm going to cover. Then HTML, CSS, SQL, JavaScript, XML, JSON, DevOps, AI tools, and a lot of knowledge about AI also I'm going to cover during the sessions. So this is going to be full stack UI, and also here performance testing also will come into picture. Okay, performance testing is missing here. As part of full stack UI, I'm also going to cover the performance testing. Yes, CI/CD will be covered as part of CI/CD will be covered as part of Selenium Java. Okay, I'll be covering, yes, as part of performance testing. I'll be taking JMeter only. I'll be taking JMeter for performance testing. Okay, I'll be taking. And for Playwright, I'll be covering JavaScript language also. I'll be covering JavaScript for Playwright, JavaScript and also the TypeScript. I'll be covering JavaScript and TypeScript for Microsoft Playwright. Okay. So yeah, most of the tools will be free. You see here, Selenium Java is free. APM is free. Rest Assured Framework is free. JMeter is free. Right? Playwright is free. And here somewhat, here they are not free. Okay, Cypress and Slow Sky is not free actually. Okay. No, we have completed the API testing. Mobile testing, we are going to start actually. Okay, Ankush, we are going to start we are going to start this Playwright actually. Okay, so the current batch, we are moving into Playwright. Okay, so it will take some time. Okay, we'll start the Playwright. Clear, Ankush? One after the other, we'll cover. We completed API testing recently. We are going to start Playwright, okay, as an additional thing. Okay, soon. We'll announce the date when we are going to cover as part of this. Then what else here? I'll be taking up your questions here. Yes, most of the tools, Kai is asking me the question like, are the tools you mentioned or free tools or pay tools? Most of the tools are free tools. Sorry, most of the tools are free tools. You don't have to worry. You don't have to pay any license amounts. Okay, very rarely. Important things are free only. Okay. Is there any weekdays batch for Java and Selenium? Java is already completed, Baswaraj. We are starting the weekday Selenium automation. For that, you should already have the knowledge of Java. Okay. Okay. What is the price of this course? Okay. Yeah, price, right? Price. Price is rupees 5,000 rupees. It's a one time. Okay. One time payment. Only one time. One time subscription and lifetime training access. Okay. This is the thing. And any other questions I got? Let's see. Baswaraj, clear, right? Baswaraj, is that clear, right? Kai, is that clear? Price of the training is clear. And if you want to know in dollars, it will be like this, okay? Rupees 5,000 in US dollars. If I type, it's around $60, okay? 60 USD dollars, okay? Around 60, that is 60 US dollars, okay? 60 US dollars. Okay, then I'll be taking other questions here. Yes, Vinay, yes, batch 6 trainees are eligible to join the, okay, batch 6, the people who have joined batch 6 can join this, any of these things. Okay, no restrictions at all. Okay, if you are batch 6 here, then already weekday batch is going, right? You can join any of these two things. Okay, live automation separately you have to subscribe. Then, yes. Monali, I'm taking the batch from scratch here, which is a weekend batch. Okay, weekend batch. I'm starting a batch from scratch. That is on weekend batch at 6 Saturday and Sunday, 6 p.m. IST, which is a brand new batch from scratch. It's going to start. Okay, that's the only thing we have for now. Okay, weekday batch, we already completed Java. So the one who are already good with Java, right, they can go with the automation directly. Okay, Selenium automation, we are going to start directly in the weekday batch. We cannot change that. Clear, Monali? Yeah, Basuraj, if you want to join both Java and Selenium, uh, you can attend the weekend batch and also the weekday batch. Okay, so maybe I'll just reshuffle, like, maybe I can take Java first, and here Java I'll take, here Selenium I'll take. Okay, on on weekends I'll take Java, on weekdays I'll take Selenium. Okay, that will be better, right? That will help everyone. Okay, that will help everyone. So I'll take weekend Java sessions, weekday automation sessions I'll take. Okay, Selenium automation I'll take. You can attend them parallel if you want. Yeah, thank you, Yogesh. Thanks for the wishes. Yes, it is an ongoing thing. I cannot give you a duration, like in how much amount of time I will be completing 500 test cases automation. It is an ongoing thing. So for every functionality, we are starting a new weekend live automation batch. Got it right? For example, login, there are 25 test cases. Once we complete automating the 25 test case of the login functionality of an e-commerce application, we'll start a new batch with new batch of live automation batch. Okay, so you can join anytime, any point of time. Clear now? Then that way we'll cover even more than 500 also on the ongoing basis. Roshan, you can actually reach Javed for your question. Okay, whatever the question you are asking, right? You have a long gap, and you are passed out from 2017. Okay, is it possible to start testing career? For that, you can reach out to Javed. He will help you out. Okay, he'll give you all the suggestions what you have to do and all. Then. Yes, Raviteja, yes, obviously, you already have subscribed for batch 6, then no need to worry. You can join all our trainings are lifetime training access. All our trainings are lifetime training access. You can join definitely. No need to ask. Same amount. Both have the same amount. You have to subscribe separately. This one 5,000, this one 5,000 separately. Okay, they are not together. Snehal, I'm not going to start from first. As part of the previous live automation batch, we have completed few four functionalities, right? We'll go with the new functionalities, Nehal, and we'll start from the scratch for as part of project wise. We'll start from scratch, but automation wise, it will be beginning only. Okay, it look new only, but new test cases will be there. So, Sonal, okay, clear, Snehal. We'll continue, but it will be new for the new people only. Okay, for the old people, new test cases will be automated. Yes, I'll provide all the notes. We'll provide all the notes and recordings. Notes and recordings will be provided. Notes and recordings will be provided. Okay, will be provided. Not only for the current batch, from all the previous batches also it will be provided. Okay, for all the batches. For all the batches, it will be provided for you. Yes, okay, Sonali, you can do that. Not a problem. It's okay to learn after 1 week also. Not a problem. Will be provided for all the batches. Okay. Because I'll be giving you the recordings, right, Sonali? You can watch at your pace and you can join. Okay. If less number of recordings, you can self-learn few number of recordings. Okay. Yes, we have a WhatsApp group also. We have a WhatsApp group, which is a closed WhatsApp group for only students, not for everyone. It's not public WhatsApp group. So I'll show you right away. First of all, notes and recordings I'll show you. I'll show you all these notes and recordings. This is how our notes and recordings will be there. For example, here, live automation batch separate access will be given. Training batch separate access will be given. Okay. So if you are going to the live automation, it will be like something like this. Okay. Like this, it will be there. Recordings will be separate. Whereas for training batches, you see, this batch 1 is outside, batch 2, batch 3, batch 4, batch 5, batch 6. All this access will give for all the batches. Okay, manual software testing, API testing using Postman, Selenium Java, and some other things comes up. Everything, no matter in which batch we'll cover any topic, that will be accessible by you. Okay. Yes, yes, Harish, you are right. If you want to start with live automation batch, you should also already be trained with Selenium and Java, because I'll not teach you anything. I'll directly start. I'll automate on the live. Okay, that's the problem. Yes, yes, as part of Selenium Java. Yes, Ankush, as part of Selenium Java frameworks. Building frameworks also will be covered. Okay, building frameworks will also be covered. Okay, building frameworks will also be covered. Building frameworks. Um Sujin, do you cover the one real-time project in weekend batch? No, will not cover. It will be covered as part of live automation. You have to subscribe separately, Sujin. It will not be part of the training batch. As part of the training batch, few sample test cases will automate using the developed framework, but here the full picture will be there. Okay? Clear, Sujin? There are only few test cases as a sample will give you. But here, if you want a detailed one, you have to subscribe separately for the live automation batch. Yes, I'll be teaching you TestNG. Don't worry. As part of Selenium Java, as part of building frameworks, we need TestNG. All these concepts like TestNG, Cucumber, okay? Then extend reports and many more. Listeners. Under TestNG, we have listeners and many more. Okay? POI API for reading the reading the data from the Excel files. POI API, etc. will be covered here. Don't worry. Okay? Everything will be covered here. Yes. As part of CI/CD, I'll be covering Git, GitHub, and Jenkins also. Yes, you are right. Okay. Yes, it is same. Okay. Here, okay, price is here, the same thing. Okay. Here also, the price is separate. Separate price is there. Okay. Lifetime access for automation. No matter how many batches I take for live automation. Live automation batch is going to start here. Okay. Sunday at 11 a.m. This Sunday. This Sunday. This Sunday. That is 20th. At 11 a.m. IST we are starting. Yes, I'll be taking care of resume building and all. Yes, all the additional tasks like resume building also will be taken care. Okay, resume building. I'll be guiding you. Okay, so I cannot say resume building, but I'll say career guidance. Okay, career guidance. As part of that, we'll also help you in resume building and all the stuff. Okay, building and all the stuff will help you out. Okay, we'll share you the resumes and we'll guide you how to do it. Okay, and we have a closed WhatsApp group, right? We have a closed WhatsApp group. Let me show you once. So these are closed WhatsApp group, guys. This is not for the public. This is not for the public, guys. This WhatsApp group is not for the public. Okay. If you see, we have around 505 members already joined. Okay. Us and we are looking forward to join more people into our group. Okay. We already have 505 members in our group, and all these are serious people who are looking for the training, and they help each other. Okay. If you go to our group, right? Let me close this and open this again. If you go through our group, this is a closed group where a lot of discussions happen. Okay, lot of discussions. For example, let's see what is the discussion that happened today. Okay, are you using TestNG or JUnit? Okay, someone has asked, Manjula has asked here. Okay, that's good. And some questions she has asked, and yes, I'm also using JUnit. So okay, so this is the thing. Okay, you see, Rahul has asked the question, and Manjula has clarified this here. Okay, like our students are like they help each other. Okay, our students help each other here. Our students help each other here. A lot of discussions keep happening here. You see, a lot of discussions, as you can see, happen. Very serious discussions that will be happening here. Okay, very serious discussions, and what are the questions they are facing in the interviews. Everyone will keep sharing and helping each other here. Okay, so this is a closed WhatsApp group. We already have crossed 500 members, students in this group, and we are heading to 1,000 mark soon. Okay, we have 500 plus enrollments already. We have 500 plus enrollments already. So and we got very good feedback already. Okay, so we can go from we have a Telegram group which is a public one. Okay, Telegram group is a public one where you cannot post. Okay, Telegram group you cannot post, but we share a lot of useful information here. Okay, and here our team will share you all the feedback that we got from our existing students. Okay, you see, you can go through all these feedbacks that we got from our existing students, and also I'll be sharing. I'll be using during the classes. I'll just draw this kind of stuff, to make the things easy. All these are prepared by me in live while I'll explaining the topics. I'll be using the Paint software to this kind of stuff, collections framework. I was explaining all this stuff. Okay, I'll be writing all these things while explaining before you. I'll make the sessions as easy as possible. Okay, these are all the feedbacks we got already. Very good feedbacks we got already. And yeah, what else we have here? You see, these kind of drawings and all I will do during the classes. Okay, I'll make the things as easy as possible for you. Okay, then yes, Ritesh, we are providing so much for 5K. It's not about money always. We believe in quality, and we want to you know be there behind a lot of people. Okay, you see, because of this, right? Recently, I got awarded, right? I have I have met a lot of students who are attending my training batches, and it's very good to meet them during this recent event. This was the event, where I was awarded. Let's go here and see. Hope someone has attended this from this group also. Okay. Yes, this is the event where I got awarded as a Testing Educator Excellence Award, and also on YouTube I already got a silver play button. Okay, so I don't have to prove anymore. Yes, you will get consolidated notes. Let me show you. For example, if you go to this batch 6, right? For example, if I go to Selenium Java, how I'll share the recordings and notes, you can see here. These are the recordings that I covered, and here expand notes are there. Expand notes, this kind of expand files and notes I'll share you. Along with that, this kind of notes I'll share you. For every session I take, this kind of notes will be there. This kind of notes will be there. You see, in Java code for Selenium, these are the notes. Okay, let me open one of the sample notes for you. Let me open it here. Okay, sorry. I think I opened something. Java code I opened. Whatever the Java code I have demonstrated during the sessions, right? Whatever the Java code I demonstrated during the sessions. Okay, I provided this repository only. Complete repository I'm providing to my students. Okay. You don't have to write during the sessions, a complete repository will be given to you. Not only that, for example, this is one of the sample notes. Let me show you how the notes will be there. These are the notes. Let the notes load. These notes I am going to share with you all. Okay. During the session, I'll be using this notes, and whatever the notes I use during the session, all these notes I am going to share you. Okay. For every topic, there will be notes and along with the recordings. Clear, Ankush? Ankush, clear, no? Ritesh is asking me how to overcome the fear of Java due to that. Okay, yes, a lot of people, not only you, Ritesh, even I was at that point of time, in the beginning days of my career, right? In the beginning, I have 19 years of experience. I'm just talking about the beginning days of my career, even when I don't even know that which language I have to use with Selenium automation. Okay, I was confused like whether to use Java or JavaScript at that point of time where I need to go with Java. Okay, that was the time when I started, and even I just learned Java during my college days, and I forgot, and I am not that much great programmer or something. But I found a technique using which we can become confident in Java programming. Only thing is that the fundamentals need to be good, Ritesh. Okay, the concepts need to be good for you, and then more practice is required. All this guidance I'm going to give during the sessions. Don't worry, Ritesh. I'll be guiding you how to get confidence in Java programming from scratch. You don't have to worry about that. Okay, you don't have to worry about that. Okay, fine. You see, you cannot directly use a real-time project, but that confidence you can carry forward, okay, in your real-time projects. Whatever the project I'm going to take as part of live automation batch that you can use in a different way in your resume that I can guide you during the sessions, okay? Yes, Harish, we are going to start on 20th July, that is Sunday at 11 a.m. IST. We are going to start the live automation batch. Yes. Yes. Any other questions, anyone? Any other questions? Anyone? You see, our notes will be like this. Okay. Hope you are able to see our notes. Our notes will be like this. We'll be sharing with you. You don't have to worry. You don't have to write any notes. Along with that, recordings of the not only the current batch, but also the previous batches also will be provided to you. Properly organized recordings will be there. Don't worry about that. Okay. So whatever the batch I'm taking on weekend, if you're talking about the training batch, here live project won't be there. Live project will be there here. Okay. Here in the weekend batch, some test cases will automate and show you. That's it. Okay. Ankush will be building both, will be automating the tests and also will be building the framework simultaneously, Ankush. Okay. During the live automation, we'll be building both the framework and test cases automation simultaneously. Weekend batch, both Java and Selenium, both will be covered. Sanjit, weekend batch, both Java and Selenium, both will cover. Okay, don't worry. We'll start with Java and go for Selenium. Yes, you can join both weekday and weekend training batches together. Not a problem. Okay, you can join both. You see, I just now I told you right on weekend we are starting Java for Selenium, and on the weekends, on the weekends we are starting Java for Selenium, and on the weekdays we are going to start Selenium. So you can take the advantage of both. You can join two things simultaneously, and you don't have to pay for both, Baswa. Okay, Baswaraj, you don't have to pay for both. Only training batch, only one time subscription is required. You can attend any number of batches in this training batches. Okay, only one time subscription, that is 5,000 rupees. That's it. You have to do. Okay, then yeah, Ritesh, you don't have to worry too much about the AI. I'm going to cover that as part of this training here. What AI tools you need to learn, and what is AI and all. I'm going to cover in one of the sessions. Don't worry. Okay, I'll be covering that for you soon as part of this training somewhere. Okay. I'll be teaching you about AI and what you have to use. Okay, what is vibe coding and all those things. Don't worry. Yes, every day at the end of the session, I'm going to give you some assignments. Okay, and these assignments are optional, not compulsory. If you do, it will build your confidence. Okay, we'll give you the assignments also. Yes, assignments will be given. Let me make a note here. Assignments will be given when at the end of every session. At the end of every session. Yes, yes, correct, Abhishek. We are only charging 5K. We are focusing on members, not on the price of the course. The quality of the course is different. Here we are focusing on the numbers. That's why we are doing it for 5K. Even though it's more price people can charge, but we are not going there. Okay, we want to do as much as possible just for 5K, and we would like to focus more on the count rather than the price. That's the way we do our training program. Okay, we also feel good by doing that, right? Not only you guys, but also we as trainers also feel like you are not charged more. Okay, 5K only serious people we can filter, and we can go with that. And we are also building a community. Meanwhile, that's also another thing, right, for us, right? So we are reaching more people. That's another ultimate goal for us. So it's not just training program. We are also reaching more people, and we are training good things for less amount of price, targeting more people. That's the main strategy of our training program or training business, whatever you can say. Okay. Any other questions, anyone? Anyone have any other questions from this demo session? So I mentioned a lot of items. You see, a lot of these topics will be covered to you, like web application testing, API testing, mobile testing, okay, AI automation and AI testing, not AI testing, but learning about AI and whatever that is surrounding the AI. Okay, I'll be giving you all the information and all these basic technologies that are required for Selenium automation. And one more thing I can give you is let me tell you about myself. Okay, who I am actually. Okay, so you already know that my name is Arun Moturi. Okay, I'm the trainer here. Okay, for this full stack QA training program, I'm the trainer. I generally take, corporate trainings also. Corporate trainings also I take. I already have taken the good number of corporate trainings for HCL and Capgemini. Okay, I generally take corporate trainings. I know all these programs, I conduct all these training programs for HCL and Capgemini along with that. And you also know that I'm a YouTuber. Okay, I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber having 1 lakh plus subscribers already. I'm also a Udemy instructor. Okay, I'm also a Udemy instructor. You can see my courses are well rated. The important courses of mine are well rated, and I'm very good Udemy instructor also. Okay, so you can okay. I'm a YouTuber having 1 lakh plus subscriber. You can see, you can go and see my YouTube channel here. This is my YouTube channel, guys. I have 1 lakh plus subscriber. Already have received a silver play button. Okay, 114K subscribers already have, and even okay. I keep working on different software testing concepts here. Okay, I'm just doing that. And you can also see my LinkedIn. You know how popular I am on LinkedIn. You can also see just to get the credentials and all. I already have 30,000 followers here. Okay, 30,000 followers are already there. You can clearly see. Normal people will not have this. And the next thing is Udemy instructor, right? Yes, you can search for Arun Motor Udemy. And this is my Udemy profile. I have 19 years of experience. And you said these are my popular courses: Selenium Java, Beginners to Advanced, Software Testing Made Easy, and Selenium Python I covered. Okay. A lot of courses I have, guys. Okay. I have created a lot of courses here. Docker I covered. Okay. Then a lot of different concepts and security testing I covered here, SQL, locators, and many other topics I covered. And I'm keeping on API testing I covered, core Java interview questions 500 plus and all. Okay. So a lot of things I'm doing, guys. So already my credentials are very good. So then what else I am? I told you, right? I have, 19 years of experience. In that 19 years of experience, 12 years I have worked as a software test engineer. Okay, software tester I have worked, where I have resigned as a senior test lead. I have resigned as a senior test lead from one of the company. What are the two? I worked for two companies, guys. I worked for two companies. One of the company name is ZenQ, where I have ZenQA initially. It changed to ZenQ later, and there I worked for 8 years. Then I moved to OSI Digital, where I have worked for 4 years, and then remaining years of experience here are into 7 years. I'm into training, full-time trainer. Okay, I'm a full-time trainer due to passion in training side and content creation side. I stepped out and became a full-time trainer and content creator. Okay, and have been creating a lot of content on YouTube and have written a lot of articles, blogs, and a lot of stuff, guys, from the beginning days of my journey. Right, I was there from long back time. Okay, I'm just not a new guy here. You can see my old blog. So I have a lot of patience actually. You see, I have written a lot of articles on Selenium Java from long back. Okay, so it's like from 2013, you can say. This particular blog is created in 2013. And this is my current website where you can find all the things that I have the knowledge of. Okay. So these are the things. So next thing I can say is I'm the founder at QAFox. Okay. I'm the founder of QAFox. I provide corporate trainings. I also take personal trainings. Okay, whatever I'm teaching you for demo sessions and all, those are personal trainings. Okay, apart from this corporate trainings, I also take personal trainings, and I'm a continuous learner and continuous trainer and content creator. Yes, from the day one, I was into testing role only. Correct, Harish. I'm into testing role. I started my journey in 2007 year. Okay, I started my journey in 2007. Yes, Priyanka, I'm a multitasker handler. A lot of things I do. I love it actually, Priyanka. I don't want to claim that I'm a multitasker or something, but I love whatever I am doing. Okay, I love teaching. I have passion towards teaching. I have passions towards guiding people, helping other people, and building a community, and doing something different from others. That's what I am. Okay, not just training and all. There's one initiative where I want to help people, and at the same time they also get benefit for less amount of price and all. That's why we are doing this. This Sunday will start, Sanjit. Sanjit, this Sunday will start with Java. Okay, Java will start. After Java, I'll go with manual testing. Okay, okay, Sanjit. We'll start with Java. After Java, we'll go with manual testing, Sanjit. Yes, I can conduct demo sessions also, Akshay. Demo sessions I can conduct. You just need to reach out to Javed here. Using this contact details, you need to reach out to Javed and ask him to arrange a, yeah, demo interview or demo. Okay, mock interview with me. According to the schedule, I'll definitely take you. Okay. Yes, I can take mock interviews. Mock interviews. If you are interested in interviews, I can take. Balakrishna, I just already told you about the course duration, right? For manual testing and Selenium Java, it is like 2.5 months to 3 months. But for full stack UI, I don't have any limit. Okay, it's an ongoing course. Only for manual and Selenium Java automation, I can give you the things. But for other things, it will take time. It's an ongoing learning process. For few of them, you already have the recordings. For a few other things, I'll be keeping training you. Okay, new things I keep training you. Okay, I always for every batch I'll just add something new for you so that you can do some continuous learning. Okay, so what are the some of the roles for QA automation? You can become a normal QA engineer, or you can become an SDET, or you can become a, Kai is asking me a question like, what are some of the roles for QA automation? You can become a automation architect also. It all depends on how much experience you have, Kai. Okay. So junior automation engineer, senior automation engineer, then you can become an architect also. Right. Okay. Class timings I already shared with you. These are the class timings. Okay, these are the class timings actually. Nitesh, you can see the class timings here. From tomorrow, it's 8 from 8 p.m. onwards. Weekday batch is going to start. We are going to start with Selenium automation, not Java, directly Selenium automation. For that, you should already have the knowledge of Java, or you have to attend the weekend batch where we are going to cover Java for you. Okay? On the weekend, we are going to start Java for you. So on the weekend, Java will be there. On the weekend, Java sessions will be there. On the weekdays, Selenium sessions will be there. Okay? Parallelly, you can attend also. Okay, you can attend parallelly just by subscribing once. To make payment and all, you need to reach out to Javed here. Okay, you can take the details of the Javed here. Okay, I'll post that in the chat. I'll post that in the chat. Using these details, you can reach out to Javed. Okay, WhatsApp and Telegram group, or you can take a screenshot of this and can attend. Okay, I cannot comment on that, Priyanka, but you can put even minimum 5 years of experience. You can put. Okay, after this full stack QA, you can put 5 years of experience minimum. Yes, that's Raju. That is going to start tomorrow. Okay. Selenium is going to start tomorrow, and weekends we are going to start with Java. Okay. Tomorrow, Selenium automation is going to start, and on weekends we are going to start Java. If you want to learn both Java and Selenium simultaneously, you can join right away, guys. Okay. Only one time subscription is required. Project batch is going to start fresh. Okay. For new functionalities of the application, we are going to start from scratch. Roshan. It's weekend only. It's weekend. It's weekend. Okay. Every weekend we are going to have the live automation batches. Okay, if you are already good with Selenium automation, Selenium and Java, if you are already good, then you are entitled to attend the live automation. Otherwise, you'll not understand what we are doing here. Okay, so here we are not going to give any trainings. We are only writing doing some automation live. Okay, I'm going to do automation live before you. That's the reason. Without training, you cannot come here. If you are already subscribed to both training and live automation, you can attend all the three things together. Okay, if you're okay with that to get a feel and all, then that is also fine. Any other questions, anyone? Anyone have any other questions? For job placements or references and all, you need to reach out to Javed, okay? He's the one who is taking care of that, okay? Ankush, once you join as a student, right, or before joining, you can check with Javed once, okay? about the job placements and all what job placements they are providing. Based on that, you can reach out to Javed and find out. Okay, Javed is the one who will help you out there. What type of jobs they can provide you, and if you're okay with that, you can for job openings. If you want job placements, if you want to join, you can contact Javed once and then join. We are ready to help everyone, guys. It's not like our thing is to grow the training community here, with a lot of students and make them good in software testing in all the directions, like full stack UI. We want to make you guys into. Okay, either you will get the recordings or you will get the trainings, and that too for 5K, right? You don't have to lose anything. Okay, you are not losing any game here. Some new topics will keep on will keep on teaching you, so no need to worry about any. The amount is also less. You don't have to worry about that. Okay, any other questions here? So I also gave my introduction and everything, right? So these are the things. Yes, yes, Roshan. All the previous recordings also you'll get. Okay, not only for batch 6, batch 5, batch 4, batch 3, batch 2, and batch 1. Everything you'll get. Okay, we'll give this access to this entire folder here. Okay, this entire folder will give you the access. Okay, you don't have to wait for the training. Sessions. Okay, you already have the recordings with you. You can prepare in advance and attend the sessions also. Okay, that kind of possibility is there because we are not only sharing the current batch sessions, but also the previous batch recordings also we are going to share. Okay, we are going to do as much as possible for you guys. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, then any other things? Anyone have any other questions here regarding this? So final thing is that you need to reach out to Javed for any other information. Okay, you need to reach out to Javed for any other information. Okay, so Javed will clear your doubts going ahead. The full stack training program is full stack QA training. Okay, all the areas of software testing we are going to cover in all the directions, including the technologies that are required for software tester as part of automation or whatever it may be. And our contents will keep growing. Okay, will not shrink them. Yes, lifetime access for training and recordings both. Yes, Raju, lifetime access for all the trainings and recordings for all the things. Okay, we'll do this continuous, guys. Okay, we are a continuous training company, so don't worry about that. We don't go batch to batch. You can join at any point of time, no worries. Okay, according to your requirements, you can join us at any point of time and for less amount of price and be part of the huge community we are building for the students. Okay, and serious people into software testing. And also, we'll change your mindset. Okay, how to take the software testing mindset. Okay, how to approach that and all. Okay, it's not just about training, but also a lot of guidance will be given to you during the trainings. Okay, we'll give you a lot of guidance during the training. Okay, lot of guidance, lots of guidance will be given during the training program. Live automation batch is a separate thing. If you subscribe for the training batch, you are not if you have not subscribed, you are not allowed to attend this. Okay, these two are separate. This is 5K and this is 5K separate. Okay, and this is also lifetime training access, but this is lifetime training access once you subscribe this separately. Okay, don't merge. These two items are separate. Okay, not same. Okay, what else we have? Any other questions, guys? And also here you can also have some lot of things will be there, guys, here. Okay, so CEO expert talks are also there with us. You see, if you want to, here we have some extra sessions which were taken by industry experts. The one who is very good with CI/CD pipelines has taken this session. Okay, the one who is very good with DevOps has taken this session. Like security testing has taken this session, and so on. Okay, so a lot of things will be there. We'll be arranging a lot of stuff on the need basis. Okay, live automation batch is going to start this weekend at Sunday at 11 a.m. IST. And from there onwards, every weekend it's going to be there, Saturday and Sunday. 2 to 4 hours every Saturday, 2 to 4 hours, or Sunday 2 to 4 hours. Okay, around 4 to 8 hours every weekend. We'll take the weekend live automation things. Okay, it's an ongoing thing. And for every functionality, we'll start a new batch. Okay, for every functionality, we are going to start a new batch. One or two functionalities, we'll start a new batch. We'll decide on the go. From scratch, we'll start from project creation onwards to the live automation. Everything will be there. Building the frameworks and automation, automating the scripts, everything will be there in that live automation. Okay, I think we are good to go. Any other questions are there? You can quickly ask, guys. I am done from my side. But if you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay. For Selenium automation, you can put around 2 years. Okay, 2 years of automation you can put, 2 to 3 years max. You can put. Okay, Karthik, clear now? For Selenium automation, you can put around, keep around 2 to 3 years. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions, anyone? Any other questions do you have here? Okay, fine. So if you are interested, guys, if you are interested, you can reach out to Javed here with these details. Okay, these are the details of the Javed. You can reach out to Javed and enroll yourself and see you in this training program and live automation batches accordingly, guys. Okay. So again, to repeat, so weekend batch, I'm going to start Java from Sunday at 6 p.m. IST. I'm going to start Java here. Okay. Java for Selenium, I'm going to start. And on the weekdays, I'm going to start Selenium automation. You can attend them parallelly to make the full thing done. Okay. Along with that, you can also attend live automation. If you're already good with Selenium and Java, you can attend the live automation where training will not be done. Only live automation implementation will be there. And which is also going to start this Sunday at 11 a.m. IST. And further batches, if you are interested, we'll keep posting in the this Telegram group. Okay. And this is our Telegram group, guys. Also be part of our Telegram group. Okay. You see, t.me/QAFox original is our Telegram group link. Okay, I'll be posting this in the chat. Okay, I'll also be posting that in here. Okay, so lot of useful information we are going to share here in our Telegram group. So be also part of this Telegram group. Okay, this is our Telegram group where you can get a lot of information and updates from our training programs there. Okay, upcoming training programs and everything will be posted here along with the students' feedback and everything, guys. Okay, fine then. That's all. Yeah. No, we are not covering at this point of time, Omkar. We cannot state we are going to cover ETL testing, maybe because of a lot of priorities are there, right? Maybe in the upcoming days, we cannot decide right now time. Maybe in the coming days, we may cover as part of this is an ongoing initiative, right? It's like our training program is like joining a university, which keep on continuing, okay? So maybe at some point of time, we may cover ETL tester, okay? Testing for you. Not right now. Okay, fine. Yes. That's all for the demo. This is a demo session. Hope you got the complete information from my end and all this training plan and all I'll be posting in the Telegram group and the other groups. Okay, wherever possible. Fine. That's all from my end, guys. See you. Bye, everyone. Take care. Yeah, welcome all. Okay, welcome all, guys. Bye, everyone. Take care. See you in the sessions. Bye.